Doctors at the Bombo Military Hospital say the soldier suspected to have contracted Ebola was being treated for malaria for the last 7 days. It was not until early this morning that the soldier started showing signs of Ebola. The suspected case comes as a surprise since he was not among the people who came into contact with the first Ebola case recorded here.
He had epistaxis, that is bleeding from the nose. He had hematuria, that is bloody urine. He had a very high fever, so the fever had come up. And he had developed generalized joint pains and general body pains with severe headache.
The patient has now been isolated in one of the hospital rooms as the authorities prepare an isolation unit. This unit will have 3 sections, one for suspected cases, the other for confirmed cases, and the other for recovering patients. Ministry of Health officials say the isolation unit will be ready for use in about 3 days and will be accessible to the public. The ministry announced an Ebola outbreak on Saturday after a 12-year-old child died of the disease on 6th May. The girl was one of the 5 siblings under the care of their grandmother in Ngaronkaro village, Zirombwe sub-county in Lowero district, about 40 kilometers from Kampala.
We were wondering about our health and then also that of our children. What are we going to do?
As a precautionary measure, the girl was safely buried in Wakiso district and relatives were not allowed to view the body or perform any rites. But 11 days after Ebola claimed its first victim, the family home is yet to be disinfected and the grandmother is still using some of the deceased bedclothes for the rest of the children. About a kilometer from this home, residents are also worried and they say they still don't know how to protect themselves.
Waliwo abantu babiri abalwadde naye ne batugamba nti badduka na musaayi kale abantu abo baweerezebwa e Mulago kati naffe twafunye okweraliikirira nti oba n'essaawa yonna naffe anaatukwata.
So they are panicky. The whole situation is scaring down there. That's why they keep on calling. Should we bring our kids to schools? Will the schools open? What is the situation there?
23 people who were in contact with the first case are being monitored for any signs of Ebola. Anna Tkunda, NTV Tonight.